Dude, I've only got 15 seconds.
I don't care. No, with this hand. You gotta even it out. Fuck you, I said this! I didn't get this one. I think I'm gonna have a stroke if I keep doing this. I'm not kidding. Oh!
And she does it again.
It's Brooke.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a stroke doing this.
We should all three, like all four of us, hold hands and see who gets shocked.
Bullshit.
I don't want to put down your phones and your technical items. Technological technical.
You
What
have
the
a phone
fuck
in
I'm
your
trying to say?
pocket.
I don't care. It's $30. Oh shit, yeah I do. My dad's gonna call and he'd be like, what the fuck? 0 missed calls.
The first time we put up an electric fence here, it was me and Derek working on it. But it was me and Derek working on it. And I was down there and I took the retard. We have this metal ring.
try?
Fish was
No, no, thank you.
Took the thing
No.
to.
No.